Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Whatnot. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you need to go ahead and cancel an order. Maybe you went ahead and misplaced their cards, or maybe the cards they ordered are damaged. How do you actually go ahead and cancel an order on Whatnot? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Whatnot, then click on Seller Hub on the bottom middle hand side. Then click on Orders. Find the order which you want to go ahead and cancel. So let's go ahead and click on this order here. Now, on this order, click on Cancel Order, and it should go ahead and cancel them. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cancel an order on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.